In this video, we're going to unbox and review the electronic lens mount adapter from Commlite. Let's check it out.
Get strong.
Okay, so here we have the Commlite CM-EF-EOS M electronic lens mount and adapter. Okay, so some of the main features of this particular lens adapter is you have the EXIF signal transmitter. It supports autofocus. It has an electronic aperture control, and it also has built-in IS functions. And you'll notice the build quality is made out of aluminum. Now it feels kind of heavy, but it feels like it's solidly built. The mount on the side seems to be pretty good, pretty sturdy. So if you wanted to hook it up to your camera and use that mount, you can. The quality is quite nice. You'll notice that it has all of the things on the inside that will enable you to be able to use it with your Canon camera. Now if you have the old EOS format lenses, this will allow you to be able to use those. So let's see how this bad boy works. I have my Canon M50 here. We're just basically going to connect it. Okay, fits nice and firm. And then I have my nifty 50 here lens, which you would need in order to be able to use with the M50. Okay, clicked in. Okay, yeah, it started to work already. Now, let's see how this bad boy works. Oh yes. See, it's zooming in and zooming out. Excellent. Okay, so it seems to be pretty sturdy, pretty firm. It's not that expensive. It's not as expensive as the one that Canon sells, and it's quite nice. I think it has a real nice footprint, and it makes your camera look kind of, masculine. So this has been a quick review of the Commlite adapter. Please come back for my next video, as I'm going to show you some pictures that I've taken while using it. Once again, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man, and thank you for checking out my channel. Remember, before you buy anything, always first check it out.
Get strong.